How to edit your Facebook profile information. So just head over here to your profile, and then when you scroll down, you can see in here details. So this will serve as your profile information. We have in here the link, the education, the location, the relationship status, and a lot more. Click on the see your about info, and then you can add the work, education, places, and everything that you want for this one as well. So you can head over and then add a live event, add family members, or anything on this case. If you want to change what is shown, you can click on this edit public details. And then from there, scroll down, and in here you can see this. Click on this edit your about info. And then you can edit this right here. Alternatively, you can also head over and then edit out everything that will be added right there. You can close or you cannot show your education as well as your current city. But once you have done that, you can click on the save option. And then as you can see right here, this will change what is added onto your page for this case right there. So that's how you edit your Facebook profile information. Hope we help.